Now, your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, hopefully when you walked out the door today, you had a nice warm coat because, well, it's not excruciatingly cold, right? But it's a big shock from yesterday when we have temperatures in the lower 70s. Today, wind chills in the mid 30s. It feels like 36 right now. Take a look. Live Doppler 2 HD. We don't have much in the way of sunshine. We've had just a peak or two of sun, but mostly cloudy skies. And as you can see here on Live Doppler 2, a little closer in view of Mercer County, Auglaize, Shelby into northern dark, there is just a little bit of light rain, a couple of sprinkles, and nothing more than that. But we'll see, I think, more later as we head through the evening hours and the overnight hours into the day tomorrow with that cutoff low pressure system over the eastern Great Lakes, and around that these these little spokes of energy disturbances, and that will bring us a chance for some rain and a little bit of snow mixed in as well, as it should get cold enough to see a little bit of snowfall. And of course the winds rapid around that backside of that low pressure, bringing those plunging temperatures. And that's why tonight at 10 o'clock a freeze warning right there, the freeze warning for all these counties. It goes into effect from 10 p.m. until 10 a.m. on Tuesday. So if you have some plants that you can bring indoors, you need to do that before dark tonight, just to save those plants for another few days. In terms of snow, I mentioned the fact that we're going to get a few snowflakes. No measurable snow, but just wanted to point out our earliest measurable snow in Dayton actually comes on October 18th, which is tomorrow, and that happened back in 1989 when we picked up 0.2 of an inch of snow at Dayton International. Now, the biggest snow ever in October, that came the following day on the 19th of October in 1989 when we picked up 4.8 inches, almost 5 inches there on the 19th of October. But again, from what we will get tonight, tomorrow, and tomorrow night, not expecting any snow accumulation, but we may see a few flakes of snow nonetheless, and that will look kind of nice. It would be our first flakes of the season. 50 degrees are high today, but that came at midnight. Temperatures have been in a downward slide ever since. 66 is our normal high, so we were 16 degrees below normal today, and right now we're at 45, but factor in that wind out of the west at 23. Look at the wind chill. It feels like 36 degrees, that after a high yesterday of 72. Temperature-wise around the area, everybody in the low to mid 40s, pretty uniform temperatures. Here's future track. The clouds around right now, and again, a little bit of kind of a rain-snow mix, a wintry mix. A slight chance of that as we head through the nighttime hours, but a better chance as we head into the day tomorrow. Again, maybe a rain-snow mix in the morning, but I think in the afternoon when it does get warm enough, back into the mid-40s, we'll see nothing but rain showers, and then cooler temperatures again tomorrow night, Tuesday night. A little snow will mix in then. Then we'll be done with it as we head into Wednesday morning, maybe a leftover rain or snow shower over our northeastern counties. But outside of that, the clouds will scour out and we'll see some sunshine for the second half of Wednesday. A little bit warmer then too, but the real warm up will come later in the week and into the weekend. You'll see that on the 7-day forecast. Tonight dropping down to 33. Again, the freeze warning starting at 10 p.m. Cloudy and cold with a slight chance of a rain-snow mix. Tomorrow, a little better chance of a rain-snow mix in the morning. Some rain showers scattered about in the afternoon, but look at that high temperature, just 46 degrees. And as we head into Wednesday, that's when we begin to see some improvements. Gradual clearing up to 49. That's still unseasonably cold. But 55 on Thursday after a morning freeze. How about 66 Friday? And then in the low to mid 70s Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.